Good morning, all of you. Firstly, happy Teachers' Day to my respected teacher, Mr. Adnan sir, and my dear students. In India, September 5 is celebrated as Teachers' Day as a tribute to the contribution made by teachers to society. The story behind Teachers' Day is that when Dr. Radhakrishnan took the office of the second President of India in 1962, his student approached him to seek permission to celebrate September 5 as a special day. Dr. Radhakrishnan instead made a request to observe September 5 as a Teachers' Day to recognize the contribution of teachers to society. And my thoughts on Teachers' Day: first, a teacher makes your future bright. It is true, your parents give you only birth, but a teacher give you a better life. A teachers not only give you book knowledge but also give you way of life, way of live a better life. And thanks Mr. Adnan sir for encourage me. You give us more ideas to make a bright future. You motivate us that time when we lost our ideas and think that how we can start our study. You appreciate us, sir. We get not only book knowledge from you, but we also get more ideas how we can start a journey of life. You appreciate always and motivate us. Thank you so much, sir, and I am very lucky that I am your student. I am lucky to have a teacher like you. You are a fabulous guide. And two lines, sir, for you. Though you write in black and white, but you feel color in my life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
My respected teachers and my dear friends, firstly, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
I think you are very well. Okay? You all know, today we gather her celebrate of Teacher Day. I tell you, how did it start celebrate of Teacher Day? One children said to Dr. Sapalli Radhakrishnan, "Sir, we want make your birthday celebrate." Dr. Sapalli Radhakrishnan replied the children, "I agree your opinion. You want celebrate my birthday, but my one request, my child, my birthday different type. He wanted my birthday as a Teacher Day. From there, Teacher Day has started. I tell you, he was first Vice President of India and second President of India. I think without teacher, a student successful in our life. Teacher, parents give birthday children, but teacher teach them lesson the student. I think teacher is equal to a candle. Like a candle burn itself and given lights other. Some the teacher does for his student. And my second point, you are very difficult. Please, I thinking explain in Hindi because some student properly not understanding. My second point, एक टीचर अध्यापक रोड की तरह होता है. जैसे एक रोड पर चलने वाला मंजिल सवार सड़क उसको लगातार चलने पर उसकी मंजिल तक पहुंचा देती है, लेकिन सड़क खुद वहीं पर रहती है. ठीक उसी तरह एक विद्यार्थी भी अगर अपने शिक्षक के बताए हुए रास्ते पर चलेगा तो शिक्षक एक दिन उसे उसकी मंजिल तक पहुंचा देगा. शिक्षक वहीं रहेगा लेकिन वो अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच जाएगा अगर लगातार चलता रहा. टुडे आई हैव एनी no word and no gift. I thanks you, my teacher, because my teachers and parents, everyone a student, same of the God. I have any opinion, my teachers, thanks, but I give word you today. I will keep try. One day I famous opera center in my city. If God willing, one day the public, maybe he was going a student his opera center. Thank you listening my audio and Everyone thank you. Therefore, today a holiday, but you golden chance in our life. A holiday day, you come to the center. Thank you, everyone.
A very good morning to the excellencies, distinguished teacher and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak of Teachers' Day. 5th September, Teachers' Day is a very important and remarkable day in the Indian history of education, because through this day we pay our heartily respect and honor to our teacher throughout the country. We know mother gives us birth, but do you know the teacher gives us our life? A teacher is like a candle. It consumes its life to light the way for others, as candle earns its life to make someone able to own his way. A teacher exacts his life for the sake of students. A great teacher takes a hand, opens in mind and touches the heart. What is the background of celebrating this day, 5th September? Is there any background? Surely there is a healthy background behind this day. To know the history of this day, we have to go to the golden day of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September in 1888 in Madras. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an intelligent philosopher, great successful teacher, above all was an ideal teacher. He travelled the famous University of India and abroad. He taught in the University of Mysore, University of Madras and University of Kolkata, and of course in the University of Oxford as a professor and philosopher. His personality and thought was greatly adored in the Western countries. This great man thought teacher should be the mastermind, the best mind in the countries, as only a teacher can change a society with his wisdom and intelligence. Only a teacher can lead a community to its desired destination. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was first vice president and second president of India. When he was in his chair, some of his well-wishers, his students and friends approached to him and sought his permission for celebrating his birthday. Dr. Radhakrishnan replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. That's why since 1962 till today, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. We know youth is the backbone of our nation, of a country. Also, we have to believe the teacher is the backbone of our society, as a teacher can change a society. A community teaching is the profession that teaches all the other professions. Friends, showing respect must not be confined just in a day, but to be unlimited throughout our life, and then the celebration of Teachers' Day would be a grand success. It's a matter of regret that we the student become more desperate to convey our respect and honor to our teacher. Sometimes the teachers are being harassed and tortured both mentally and physical by their student. It's a very painful and unexpected situation we are facing nowadays. We should make an end to this pathetic situation, and only then the observation of Teachers' Day will get a success. So let's love and respect our teachers, as they are the most respectable and honorable person in the world. I will finish my speech with the quotation of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan said, "A life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science." Thank you.